Look at today's template. Aren't these the cutest? We have our baked crackers in the box. How cute. If you came from the craft print shop and you have your template, I'm going to show you how to design, print, and assemble. And if it's your first time here, head on over to the craftprintshop.com, get your template, and let's get to work. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. Now that you purchase the template, when you get your receipt, you're going to click on the template link and you're going to arrive here. If you haven't purchased the template and it's just your first time here and even meeting me, hey, how you doing? Head on over to the craftprintshop.com to get your template, and the template link and supplies will be in the description of this video. So once you arrive here, as you can see already, this is pre-designed to already look like the box, so there's minimal work for you to do. You're going to select use template for new design. It will lead you here. Now you're in Canva, free version. If you want to do any extra edits, like remove background of pictures that you want to insert, you're going to have to pay for the Canva Pro, or it's premium, I believe it's called, at $12.99 per month. I do use it. It's definitely worth it. So first you're going to go to file right at the top left, and you're going to click in here, and then you're going to name this file whatever you'd like it to be named in your Canva account. Then you're going to press enter and come out of that. Now, simple and easy. If you want this to look just like the box, you're going to double click on the name. You're going to type in the name that you want. I have it on all caps. Make sure it's not on all caps. So I'm just typing in my name. Of course, I can't spell my name. I don't know what's happening here today. Right? Now, if you want it to be outside a little bit, it's fine. Or you can minimize it if you want it to fit inside the circle exact. I don't know what it is about me, but I like to see things like directly inside. Right? And literally that's it. You would go in, type in the name for all, size to your liking, and then you're done, right? And I want to show you now, you can also change it to match other themes if you like. So the actual goldfish boxes that I have, they're from Target, but it was only the only one they had was the Easter edition, and it's lavender. So let's say that happened to you, or you're having, let's say, a Mickey Mouse party and your colors are pink, black, and white, or something like that. I don't know. But you want all of your treats to match exact. So you can do that with these. Click right here, and this is our like fadeaway design here. You see the colors? You're going to leave that top one white. In the orange, select it. Go over here to your colors. Now, these are the basic colors that Canva have. Right here, it's pulling all the colors from our images. This right here is my branded template colors. You can do that for yourself when you have the premium. And then when you click right here, you can just, go along the slide and choose the color, right? So today we're going to I'm going to click on the purple that they have, and I'm going to keep it just as that. So you can change that color. Now you can also change the offset of the word cheddar, and you can change the word cheddar if you want. Type in whatever you want it to be. Just go to effects, and you see this outline that we chose, the colors right here. Go to there and I'm going to pick a darker purple. You see how that's looking? Now, if you want to even change these circles, you can do that too. And at the top is your most recent color. So if you want them to match everything the same, you just select them. Change the yellow. Look at that. Hello. Now, even the baked, you want to change it to another word, do so. You want to change it, let's choose this darker, even darker purple. Hello. So you can edit it to look exactly how you want it to look. Now, let's say you have that character and you prefer the character over the fish. We could do that too. You're going to go to uploads, upload file. You'd have to choose your character. I don't have no characters right here to show y'all, right? But I'll choose a random something and put it there. If you want to do a picture, upload the picture. We're going to use my most recent one. I'm just going to bring in because we don't want all of those outside. Now, you're not going to just slap the picture on like this. You need to remove the background. That crown right there, that means it's part of the premium. If you don't have premium, just use the free version, you'd have to bring in an image that's already have the background removed. And it's just one click, and that's it. So let's say we wanted to add me, little old me. You would just put that here. Even though I hate the way this look when it's just a sharp bottom cut off, so I probably would not do that. Let's go to elements here and let's try to find maybe a teddy bear or something. Actually, no, since it's Easter, we can find an Easter bunny. I put Easter bun instead of bunny. All right, so they have some here on images, and then they have photos, which will look more realistic. I want that. We're going to go to the graphics and click see all. And let's see what kind of, they got some cute things here. Look at this. Look at this one. He looks very AI. I like this. Nope, here we go. Cute. Now remember, if it has a little crown for Pro, you see when you hover over it, it tells you you have to have Canva Pro to use this image. Look for some things like these little bears here. Let's see, this bunny right here, they don't have the little crown, so you can use those with the free version. So we're going to take this little bunny here. We're going to make him small enough to fit right here. We're going to get rid of our fish. Just select and hit delete and use a little bunny. And you see that? Now it's customized to your liking. Now, the next step, you're going to save and download. You're going to click share to the right here. You're going to select download. Then right here for file type, you're going to select PDF print. Don't forget right here, you're going to flatten your PDF and then you're going to download. Okay, so now we have our download open. You're going to click on file, print. I'm printing on the Epson EcoTank 16600. Now, usually it automatically changes, but it didn't this time. So you're going to select portrait, and this is the way we want it to print. Go to media and quality. I'm sending to the rear feeder. Photo high gloss paper, and then the best quality. For you two ways that you can label them, either with just glossy paper or using sticker paper, and then print. Okay, so we have our sheets. This one I did on the party treats paper. This one is the sticker paper. So you have a choice of using a pair of scissors or using a paper trimmer. Now the paper trimmer, of course, is going to give you a neater cut. Okay, so we're going to do with the printable paper first. So, these are the goldfish I found. I couldn't find the orange box. They just had the Easter one. So we're using that for today, hence the little design. Now, with the ones that are not on sticker paper, I don't recommend a glue gun unless you know you're really good with the glue gun and you could get that bad boy on perfectly. And it sits right on top here, right? So I would recommend some double-sided tape. This one here is the one I use all the time from Amazon. Gonna lay it right here. Make sure it's straight, hold it down, and press. Do the same with our lavender. And I always pick this option, the double-sided tape on a party treat paper. Because honestly, the sticker paper is good too, but I'm not good with always getting things straight. And me and sticker paper be fighting for our lives with these treats sometimes. So we line it up. Make sure it's straight. See? I got it a little slanted. About to press it down. I'm still a little high on this one, see? Oh, y'all ain't tell me y'all didn't peel off the tape. So this would be the lavender side. Now let's try this with the sticker paper. Let's start from the bottom. Don't peel off the entire thing. Just the bottom. We're gonna do a little at a time, just in case you're like me. So try to get it straight. And then press it. And then peel and smooth it out as you go. Peel a little, smooth out a little. That way, you're less likely to have bubbles. Let's see the difference. They both look good, but I would say the sticker paper is very smooth. Just got to make sure you get it on there correctly. Let's do the purple side. A little better, a little off to the side, but it still looks good. And that's how you would label your baked crackers. Goldfish. Isn't it cute? So cute. Thank you guys for watching, and thanks to anyone who purchased my template. I'll see you guys on the next upload.